What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775, just a mile going Texas, back with another video. Today I got a treat for you folks. You folks been following my channel for headphones. This is sort of like, I guess, gonna be like a new recurring thing, like a versus series of all these headphones. Damn, flies! There's so much flies here in South Texas. It's crazy. It's so much flies. I mean, you open the door and they just all come in, especially when it's rain. Off topic. But this video is supposed to go out yesterday, and it's actually going to be put out late tonight, Monday night. I've been really busy. The thing is, I'm going to compare two headphones that have nothing in common when it comes to design-wise and how they look, but has everything in common when it comes to sound, and that's fan-freaking-tastic sound. The sound of these two headphones, I think, are some of the best I've heard this year. Alright? But in a couple weeks, I'm going to do another comparison video to another great set of headphones that I have with one of these three. So, one of these two. So, it's going to be interesting. But today, I'll be doing a sound comparison and testing of I guess I already did reviews of these headsets. Now I'm going to compare which one I think will suit you better to your taste. Now, I know some people out there are going to like bass, or they want volume, or sonic purity, or like pure awesome audio quality. I mean, these headsets do offer all of that. Some does, but one of these does it better than others, and vice versa. Okay, they both have their pros and cons. I'm here to help you choose between the two. Alright, the first up is the Ghostek Rapture wireless over-the-ear headphones. Now this thing is a fantastic device, okay? One of the best headsets that I've bought this year. As you can see, I and my little air compressor spray. That'll these flies are everywhere. Now I did a video review of this headset like a month and a half ago, something like 2 months maybe. The video reviews to both these headsets will be down in the description below. Alright? But the thing is, these things are fantastic. Let me play a quick song for you folks. I mean, let me play one of my songs, and I'll let you folks listen to it, okay? If I can get my app. I should have had my app set up from the start. Okay. My usual song. Let me turn on. This is gonna be fantastic. Left and right. Holy smokes! Try again, full volume this time. It wasn't on full volume the last time. Okay, when you listen to that, when you listen to these headphones, okay, when you put these on for the first time, you're going to be greeted by this wonderful cushion here of the Ghostek Rapture wireless. I don't know what they call this thing, some kind of leather protein, soft leather protein thing. The thing is, it feels like when you put it on, there's hardly any pressure on your ear. It fits nice. The clamp, it's like a very light to medium clamp, and totally not for working out with. Okay, do not use these headphones for working out. These are for casual listening. Like you're at home, you're chilling, you're just listening, or like if you're like on a, or just walking around, nice casual day, nice breeze going. Or you know, traveling. You know, you're like on a train, bus, or you're a road trip. You know, you wanna immerse yourself in good sound quality. These headphones are for you. The thing is, the mids, the highs, and the bass, they're balanced. Okay, the mids and highs particularly are crystal clear. All right, the bass, it's a clean bass. Not so much as a deep rumbling bass. This offers a nice clean bass, and it meshes well with the mids and highs on this headset. And the thing is, the price tag on these things are like $125. It's a little steep, but I don't regret paying that. This thing is totally worth $125. I mean, when I'm at home or like when I'm going to San Antonio or something, I'll stick these on my head. I got a long, I can keep this on my head for a good 3 to 4 hours at a time. Okay, and just listen to great quality music. I got a whole bunch of WAV files, WAV files, and on top of my LG G7 here, and it just makes that music pop. It makes it, I don't know, you have to listen to these things to believe it. I mean, it's right up there when it comes to sound quality with with expensive $200, $300, $400 headphones. You know, your what do you call that, Bang Olufsen, whatever, that B&O was expensive, the Sennheiser. This headset is right up there with them, okay, when it comes to sound quality, and it doesn't hurt as much in the wallet. Okay, $125 compared to something like a B&O. I mean, you're looking at $300-$400. Expensive. It's expensive. So yeah, I am totally, like, when I bought this year, this was the best pair of headphones that I've ever had, like, that I got this year so far, when I've got it. Now fast forward till just last week or a couple weeks ago, I picked up the Bluedio U version 2s, and boy, does this thing put up a fight for best headphones of the year so far. This is a contender, okay? This is a contender, and the other headphones that I'm gonna do a comparison of in a couple weeks, that headphone is a contender as well. Okay, folks don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Treblab Z2s. I'm gonna compare them to these three next week. These two next week. 2 weeks from now. Sorry, I got a couple of things I have to do in between, but yeah, that's another comparison video. But these Bluedio U2s, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect my Ghostek Rapture wireless. I love the audio prompts. Now, let me tell you one thing about these two headsets. This is supporting Bluetooth 4.2, Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, when you connect these to your phone, all right, they pair up fairly quickly. And I use Android mainly. I mean, not as fast as how iPhone, like the iPhone 10 can compare to Airpods. You know, those are like instantaneously, but these are pretty close. Bluetooth 4.2, Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, listen to how fast this thing pairs when I turn this on. I'm gonna let you listen to the audio prompt. Okay, it's gonna, like, I have my Bluetooth on my phone. I'm gonna just turn this on. It's gonna connect immediately.
Power on. Airing. Speakers connected.
Speakers connected. You saw that? As soon as I turn this thing on, it automatically recognized my phone, and it just clicked. Okay, same goes for this. Okay, Bluetooth 4.2. Now, when it comes to range, they both have standard 30 feet range. This one can go a mite farther. This one can get around 33 feet before it starts cutting out. Okay, because I leave my phone, my LG G7, in the living room here. I marked off my hallway. I got a long hallway, and I marked off my hallway 30 feet. Then again at 35 feet. So this thing cuts out right before 35 feet, 33, 34 feet. This thing starts chopping right after 30 feet. It's not a bad thing, okay? Then again, this is line of sight. Okay, line of sight down the hallway. And my phone down here by my door, and me down the hallway at the opposite end of my house, kind of. So, I mean, connectivity, they're both fine. You're not gonna see much of a difference. Now, when it comes to sound quality and build quality, of course, there's distinct build qualities. Now, when it comes to comfort, okay, I prefer the Ghostek Rapture wireless. I don't know what these protein earbuds are made out of. They feel like, I don't know, they feel like pillows on your ear. They're really comfortable, okay? Now, that's not saying that these Bluedio U2s, what do you call that, ear cups are bad. No, these are fine. These are great as well. The thing is, the way it's positioned, it fits perfectly on your ear. It does not form painful pressure points, because it's shaped like an egg. Now, most people's ears, it's gonna fit around most people's ears. Now, if you got really big ears or big, fat, huge ears, it's gonna squash your ear a little bit because the clamping force on this thing is like a medium clamp, I think, like the borderline of light to light medium clamp on your head. Now, I got a medium sized head. It will vary depending how big your head or how small your head is. Okay, again, not a workout type of headphones. I will not use these for working out. Do not use these for working out. If you do, I don't know, maybe running, because both of these will pretty much fall off your head. As soon as you move your head down or up, these things they'll fall because the clamping pressure it's not tight enough. Okay, and the feel of these Bluedio U2 ear cups on your head, they're fine. They work fine. The thing is, in South Texas, it gets hot, and since this forms almost a pretty much perfect seal around your ear, you're gonna start to sweat in 2 to 3 hours. I started sweating with these, but I don't know why. These things just breathe more, in my opinion. That's just me. It's like the air gets in more, but it still provides good sound. There's no loss of sound quality. While this, well, it does. My ears do get hot. Like after a couple hours, I have to kind of like lift one ear cup up to get some air in, then lift the other. And of course, when you break that seal, you're gonna lose a little sound quality. I mean, sound output. But that's common. But these, I don't really have to adjust them too much on my head. Like I said, I can wear these 3 to 4 hours. This I could probably do 3 hours max at a time. Then I have to give my ears a break for a little while, and then I put them back on. You know, these 10-minute break, then I put it back on, then I'm good to go again for the next couple hours. So, comfort-wise, the Rapture Wireless takes it just a little bit. It does take a little bit. Now, sound quality. This is what you folks are wondering, okay? Let's listen to the same song that my Ghostek Rapture Wireless was playing. It's a big difference in sound. Full volume. Right off the bat, the Bluedio U2s are the king when it comes to volume. These things are loud, okay? Now, for normal people out there, full volume on your headset and on your phone, like, hey, if you turn up full volume on your phone, then you go to your headset and click on the volume up button on this thing, these things get really loud, okay? It can even be a little painful for normal people out there. Even for me, on some songs, it gets really, really loud. That's a good thing, okay? It's not a bad thing for me. Now, for other normal people out there who have good hearing, it can hurt your ears, okay? But that's a plus in my book. I like loud headphones, and these things get loud. Now, when it comes to mids and highs, these things are great. Okay, mids and highs, they're balanced, crystal clear, and the bass on this thing kicks harder than the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. Okay, this thing has deeper, more rumbling type bass, bass that you can feel. Okay, at full volume, man. Like I said, it shakes my fat right here. You feel it. You feel bass. The thing is, okay, one con about that when you got this at full volume, especially with your bass heavy song, the bass on this thing does overpower the mids and highs just a little. Okay. So you're gonna notice that. Let's say you keep this headset around 85-90%, you're good, you're golden. But when it comes to bass heavy songs, you're gonna notice some of the bass is gonna overpower the mids and highs. But in the majority of songs that I've listened to, the mids, highs, and bass on the Bluedio U2s does mesh perfectly. Okay, they're balanced. So when it comes to balance, okay, and sound quality, I have to give it to the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. Now, when it comes to volume, again, Bluedio U2s. Bass, Bluedio U2s. Now, when it comes to just pure audio quality, sonic joy, I mean, these two offer a lot, but if you were just listening to music, you're just a casual listener, you don't care much about bass, it's obvious which one you should go for. It's the Ghostek Rapture wireless. Okay, and even if you did care about bass, these still do offer a nice clean bass that balances and meshes well with the mids and highs. Okay, now the Bluedio U2s, the sound is fantastic. You keep it at 80-85% volume, it sounds really good. One of the best of the year. And the bass, I'm a bass guy. This thing hits hard. It's reminiscent of my Sony 950 BTs up there. So I mean, the bass hits hard. Okay, the sound quality is great. And this is going for like $100. I think this was on sale like for $70 like a week ago. I kind of missed out on that. I didn't notice it until it was done. Like I had a subscriber tell me, "Hey, these things are on sale. Check it out." And I looked right when it was on sale, but it was a lightning deal on Amazon. It was like 8 minutes left. It's like, oh shoot, you know. But if I had to choose now which one I would use on a daily basis, if I can only pick one, oh, that's so hard. That's so hard. If I could only pick one, I'd probably go the Bluedio U2s. I know these sound, when it comes to sound quality, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. These sound a little better. They do. But when it comes to bass and volume, these things have it. It's a tough choice. And like I said, it's up to you folks. You want really good pure audio sound quality, these Rapture wireless are king right now for me, in my opinion, of the headphones that I have. Okay, I'm not saying it's king of other headphones out there that, you know, like Bose and what. I don't have those. This is king right now for right now of what I have when it comes to audio quality. But when it comes to all around audio quality, okay, I like mine's a little loud. I like the bass, so that's why I went with the Bluedio Bluedio U2s, I should say. So I mean, both great headsets. You're not gonna go wrong with either of these. Okay, like I said, the comfort on these things are better. Balance is better on the Raptures, and bass and volume are. And I think the design, when it comes to durability, I think the U2's got it. I don't like these. I'm scared I'm gonna crack them one day. These feel plasticky. Well, this is all aluminum. I can't pronounce it. See, it's all metal. But yeah, if I had to nitpick, if I had to choose one, I'd go the Bluedio U2s. Great all-around sound quality, hits hard with the bass, and the volume is a plus in my book. It's gonna be minus in a lot of other people's books, but the volume is a big plus in my book. Hence why I'm going deaf already. I'm going deaf big time. But like I said, you're not going to go wrong with either of these. But yeah, that was my kind of comparison between the Bluedio U version 2s and the Ghostek Rapture wireless. These two headphones are not going to disappoint whichever ones you pick. And like I said, in 2 weeks, I'm going to compare the Treblab Z2s to both of these. Alright, that's going to be an interesting video. Treblabs, those are really good as well. And right around the price range of these things, I think they're the cheapest right now. They're going for like $70, $80. These are about $90 to $100, and these are $125. So yeah, look for that video in 2 weeks time. But yeah, it's Guddang775. I want to thank you folks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.